everyone, how are you? This is Neelaksh. Welcome back to my channel. Let's discuss today's English sentences. यह किसके लिए है? Who is it for? Who is it for? क्या आप मुझे जानते हैं? Do you know me? Do you know me? शर्माओ मत. Don't be shy. Don't be shy. मैं उसके बाद पहुंचा. I reached after him. I reached after him. वह तुम्हारी जैसी दिखती है. She looks like you. She looks like you. तुम कहाँ से आए हो? Where have you come from? Where have you come from? चालाक मत बनो. Don't be smart. Don't be smart. उसे मत देखो. Don't look at him. Don't look at him. मुझे आपसे ये उम्मीद नहीं थी. I didn't expect it from you. I didn't expect it from you. क्या आप मुझसे गुस्सा हैं? Are you angry with me? Are you angry with me? उस टेबल पर क्या है? What is there on that table? What is there on that table? इसमें खास बात क्या है? What's so special in it? What's so special in it? वह कोई ऐरा गैरा नहीं है. He is not any Tom, Dick and Harry. He is not any Tom, Dick and Harry. उसका कोई भरोसा नहीं. He is not reliable. He is not reliable. इसमें मेरा क्या कसूर है? What is my fault in it? What is my fault in it? झुको मत. Don't bend. Don't bend. वह सोया हुआ था. He was asleep. He was asleep. यह सच है. It is true. It is true. यह झूठ है. It is a lie. It is a lie. क्या हो रहा है? What's happening? What's happening? क्या अब मैं कुछ बोल सकता हूँ? May I say something now? May I say something now? कौन है? Who is it? Who is it? वहाँ कौन है? Who is there? Who is there? यह कौन है? Who is this? Who is this? कपड़े सुखा दो. Put the clothes to dry. Put the clothes to dry. नल चला दो. Turn on the tap. Turn on the tap. नल बंद कर दो. Turn off the tap. Turn off the tap. बिस्तर पर चादर बिछा दो. Spread the sheet on the bed. Spread the sheet on the bed. दीवार का सहारा मत लो. Don't lean against the wall. Don't lean against the wall. दिमाग से काम लो. Use your brain. Use your brain. मुझसे पंगे मत लो. Do not mess with me. बहुत खुश लग रहे हो. क्या बात है? You are looking very happy. What's the matter? You are looking very happy. What's the matter? I hope आपको यह वीडियो पसंद आई होगी। मैं आपके लिए ऐसी इंटरेस्टिंग वीडियोस लाता रहूँगा। So please like and share the video and also subscribe the channel. So see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.